If you know that compressors account up to 10% of a factory's energy consumption, then you understand why Atlas Copco introduces variable speed drive technology. A compressor with VSD Plus technology reduces energy consumption by 50% on average. That equals the yearly energy bill of 10 families per compressor, or 1,128,000 hot cocos. So while you reduce your energy costs significantly, the ecological footprint of your compressor diminishes and your plant becomes greener. So if we would change each oil-injected screw compressor in the market by a VSD, it would definitely make the world a greener place.